Hey there, how it's going? This is Khaja for the GTM Engineers. Today I will be talking about Clay's cool integration, which is called HTTP API. And this integration is super cool and I will explain it in a bit. So let's get started. So what I'm doing over here is I'm using Google Alert and to get me updated on the recent news on the funding rounds. You can use your own keywords to get yourself updated. In my case, you can add as many alerts as you want, and then you can get all of the data in your Clay's table. In this table we have all this data over here which is unsorted and it is a messy data. So I made this AI prompt which can help me extract the useful data, which is funding amount, funding series, company name, and the country. Now you can use this data in your outbound reach or whatever you want. So how did I do this? So let's get started with that. Once you are done with your alerts, all you have to do is choose RSS feed over here. It also allows us to send all of the data via email to our Gmail account, but we will use the RSS feed over here, and we have to copy this link over here. And when we have copied this link, we'll go to this useful tool of automation. You can create the scenarios over here which can help you push this data in your Clay's table. What you have to do is you have to create two modules. One is RSS and one is HTTP. In RSS module, you will paste your Google Alert URL and you will set the maximum number of results you want. And in the HTTP corner, you will paste the URL of your Clay's table. This is how you will get your Clay's table URL. When you will get over here, you will just create a new table and write webhook, monitor webhook. And if you want to add more than one webhooks in your table, you just have to click over here and it will add another source of webhook in this table. So add your URL of Clay. The method is post. You have to add two headers. One is content type and the value is application JSON, name is authorization. Here you have to write your Clay's API key, body type is raw, content type JSON, and this is all the data of JSON body. Over here you have to select your title and description and paste it over here. Just you have to click on it and it will populate. Now we will get all of this data in your Clay table, and whenever some new news targeting your keywords get on the Google Alert, you will get all of your data over here. For example, this data was pulled at 12:55, this data was pulled at 11:18, this was at 3:18, this was at 3:32. So whenever a news get in Google Alert, the data will be populated over here. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know if this helps you in any way.